The ExpressVote is a voting machine available for all voters in Rhode Island. It uses touchscreen technology and it can read the ballot to the voter. Every polling place and early voting location provides an ExpressVote to assist voters in marking their ballot. I'm Kate Bowden from Disability Rights Rhode Island. With the ExpressVote, you can mark your ballot in 3 easy steps. First, insert the ballot card. Next, make your selections by tapping the screen or using the keypad, and then print your ballot. Let's go through the process together. After a poll worker hands you a ballot card and directs you to the ExpressVote, insert the card into the machine. The corner cut should be at the top right of the paper. At this point, put on the headphones if you would like the machine to read the ballot for you. You may have to choose your language, and then instructions will appear on screen and by audio. It's time to make your voting choices, and this is what makes the ExpressVote so user-friendly. There are multiple accessible ways to make your selections. You can use the touch screen and make your choice by tapping, or you can use the keypad with rubber directional arrows and Braille to navigate the screen. And the ExpressVote can read the ballot to the voter. This is great for voters who have difficulty seeing or reading. An audio jack with headphones is provided.
Vote for up to 2. There are 10 choices to hear each
The
choice.
ExpressVote also has features to make the screen display in high contrast or large font. Once you've made your choice for a candidate or question, the box will change color to indicate your selection. Depending on the length of your ballot, you may need to select Next to see all the questions or candidates. When you've finished your selections, review the summary screen before printing. You can go back and make changes if needed. Lastly, when you're ready, select Print Card. Now, review the printed ballot card once more to verify your selections. Voters can look at the card or reinsert it. The ExpressVote will confirm your selections on screen and through the headphones.
You selected Central Phone.
That's it. After you reviewed your printed paper ballot card, you will go insert it into a ballot counting machine. If you have any difficulty marking the small ovals on a standard paper ballot, consider using the ExpressVote. If you'd like more information, or you'd like to try a hands-on demonstration of the ExpressVote, contact the Rhode Island Department of State or the Rhode Island Board of Elections.